Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi macaroni. First, bring about 4 cups of water to a rolling boil in a pot. Add a pinch of salt to the water. Then, carefully add 1 cup of macaroni. Cook the macaroni for 7 to 9 minutes or until it's perfectly al dente. Once cooked, drain it well and rinse with cold water to prevent sticking. Next, let's prepare our flavorful sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped onion and sauté it until it becomes soft and translucent. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, add 1 chopped tomato and your favorite Desi spices. Allow the tomato mixture to cook for about 5 minutes, letting the flavors meld beautifully. Now, pour in about 1/2 cup of water or vegetable broth to create a saucy consistency. Gently add the drained macaroni to the pan, tossing it carefully to coat every piece with the delicious sauce. Simmer for 2 to 3 minutes until everything is heated through. Your easy Desi macaroni is now ready to be enjoyed. Garnish it with some fresh cilantro or mint for a burst of freshness. Serve it hot as a delightful main dish for lunch or dinner. For an extra touch, you can enjoy it with a side of cool yogurt or a crisp salad. Store any leftovers in an airtight container for later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.